Okay, so this was my current situation. The bushes, they kept not making it. So no matter how many times I've replanted these bushes, I have had to pull them out each year and replace them, and I was done with that. So I went ahead and I ordered the two-piece artificial topiary set from Amazon, and let me show you how much better this looks. And it's going to have no maintenance, no watering, no worrying about if it's going to die or if it's going to freeze, anything like that. This is awesome. Let me show you. So it's going to come in this box, okay? It's a really thin box. They're going to be pressed together in these long bags. So basically when you pull it out, you're going to want to like fluff it up, just like you would like a Christmas tree, okay? Think of like an evergreen. But these things are nice and tall. I'm already excited. They're just the right height that I was looking for. And then it's also going to come with this bag here. So it tells you that it was all squeezed during shipping, but then if some branches fall off, you can replace them with these. Actually, I'm going to show you here that none of the branches actually fell off. And I wasn't gentle. I mean, I was playing with it with my hands, and I pulled it down on every angle of it, and I didn't lose a branch yet. Now, maybe after a strong storm, so I'm going to hold on to these just in case. But I'm super excited because this is the color I was looking for. It looks realistic. It actually feels like an evergreen tree, so I'm excited. I can't wait to see what this does. But it's super easy to fluff. It's not even as hard as like a Christmas tree. You just kind of pull them down and play with them a little bit and just fluff it out. So these stand nice and tall, as you can tell. And I'm going to show you what they look like in the planters here. I'm so excited. Look at this. Look, and they look fresh. They look healthy. I can't wait to see how these withstand like with weather and stuff. Now, excuse the planters. I still have to wipe them down from the white rocks. They got a little bit of dust everywhere, but look how real these look. They look so gorgeous out front. I'm so excited. I was so self-conscious about those dead-looking bushes that these look so healthy, so nice, gorgeous.